Okay, my name is Craig Harris, and this is my CS457 Project 4 video. Let me get this set up here for just refraction. So here we have a quad that is purely refracting, and then we have it's refracting cube map, and the walls here are just for show. Can rotate it around, and there's a little bit of white mixed into it. So I will show, actually I think let's start up here. I want to explain this U index of refraction variable. So I'm using this instead of just a straight U ETA. So in the code, this actually, when you pass this function to the refract variable, it's actually taking the reciprocal. So this index of refraction is what this material is, and the code assumes that the rest of the area is air, so it's just 1 over this index of refraction. That's why it's 0.75. This would, if I used the UETA like in the code, this would be approximately 1.33. Just get that out of the way. Okay. So I can modify the amplitude, and this is vertex displacement. As you can see here, it's actually changing. And we're getting the total internal reflections here. You can see that it is not white tinted, which falls into this if case, the refractive case, otherwise it's the reflection. So you can vary that. We can vary the ripple frequency. Can do the phase, but that's not required. And I can change the decay. I'll rotate this so you can see it better. It's the decay. And I can change can add some noise, and I can change the frequency of the noise, just like in Project 3. And then again, I can change the index of refraction. Let's put it back around here. You mix, and then I can mix between, so now it's totally reflecting, and you can slide in between. Might be easier if I do, so let's get rid of the noise. Yeah, so here's so it's reflecting, you see the backwards letters. And I can mix between, so now you're seeing through it, now it's reflecting and can go in between. Mix of white, yeah, so that's this. I did that, I did that, I did that, yeah, alright, and go to the actual, so this places correctly. I think I showed that's accurate. Bump maps correctly, so I guess I'll show that without any, so this is the bump map, we're just adding some noise. Let me do, so if you have no noise, you can see the NVIDIA sign clearly, and it goes out of whack. If you have the reflection, you can see this easily, and I add some noise, and it goes out of whack, and then this is not, if you look this way, it's still a flat plane. It's just messing with the normals. And you can change the frequency of that on both refract and reflect, get that window, shower window look. So bump max correctly, refracts correctly, reflects correctly, mixes and reflective and refract correctly. Yeah, I think I've shown this. If I put them right in the middle, you'll see both. Reflection. There you go. Okay. Awesome, thank you.